Hey everyone, today we're checking out some insane U-turns that even the GPS would give up on. Just a reminder, this is all for entertainment. When you're out driving, keep both hands on the wheel and your eyes on the road. Trust me, you don't want to end up going viral on a traffic cam for doing something like this.
Always keep a safe distance to react in time when driving on the highway. This guy tried to run away from the police, but it looks like he didn't succeed. This idiot guy reversed on the highway, putting others in danger. A reckless car overtaking on the right almost caused danger to the motorcyclist. The driver of the white car failed to check when changing lanes to overtake. The motorcyclist, while overtaking, crashed straight into the truck. Fortunately, no one was injured in this incident. This guy crashed into an electric pole, but luckily it only caused minor damage. Who was at fault in this situation? Leave your comment below. An illegal overtaking maneuver caused a collision, endangering other road users. It seems the driver was not paying attention and failed to notice the road maintenance. Vehicle coming from the opposite direction. A sudden brake on the highway created a dangerous situation for the driver behind. When participating in traffic, you must always stay focused and never be careless. A left turn without checking caused this situation. Watch carefully and stay alert in traffic to avoid making the same mistake. I don't understand what the driver was thinking, driving like this. A guy suddenly rushed to overtake right at the merging section, and the consequences are clear to see. Yet another common situation. Watch carefully to avoid making the same mistake when driving. A chain collision on the highway? Always remember to keep a safe distance to react in time. Who is at fault in this situation? The truck making a sudden left turn, or the two cars speeding recklessly down the road? Always check carefully before reversing to avoid collisions, like in the video above. Was it the car losing control, or did the driver simply fail to notice the roundabout? I really can't understand this situation. This guy tried to climb over the police car to escape. The pickup truck ran a red light, surprising the oncoming vehicle. This guy had a miraculous escape. A situation where this idiot seems to be faking it for compensation money, or what was he even trying to do? Always stay highly focused when driving on the highway. Luckily, no dangerous situation occurred this time. No one had time to react in this situation. An unexpected U-turn from this fool that no one could have anticipated. The driver may have mistaken the accelerator for the brake. Always stay alert when driving. Fortunately, no one was injured in this situation. This fool risked everything just to avoid missing the exit.